On October 17, 2022, a Russian Air Force Su-34 fighter jet tragically crashed into a residential building in the city of Yeysk, Russia. The aircraft was on a training flight when an engine fire broke out shortly after takeoff. This is the video that uncovers what happened that day. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth air crash investigations. As we can see in the video, both pilots managed to eject from the aircraft just seconds before the crash. Despite their successful ejection, the fighter jet continued to descend uncontrollably and struck a residential building about 4 kilometers east of the runway at Yeysk Airport. The impact caused a massive explosion and fire, resulting in the tragic deaths of 15 residents in the building. The investigation revealed that the accident was due to an engine fire that occurred shortly after takeoff. This crash highlights the potential dangers posed by military aircraft operating near populated areas, as well as the critical importance of quick decision-making by pilots during emergencies. The incident has led to increased scrutiny of flight safety measures for training operations over urban areas. Aviation safety. Fact of the day. The chances of surviving a water landing are often better than people think, as modern aircraft are designed to float temporarily. Successful ditchings, like that of US Airways Flight 1549, have shown that with proper procedures, survival is possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you love aviation safety and air crash investigation.